Hey everybody, we're going to be working with the Explorer 2X outside burner. Now this has two cast burners with 60,000 BTUs of a total output. So basically there's just the two burners there. It's going to be powered by your propane. The price there was $199. But what's great about this is for camping or any outdoor cooking. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. We're going to follow our directions there and let's see what this is about. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put on our legs. Didn't attach these. These are optional. They're side panels to hold your food or anything else that you're doing while you're cooking. So let's get started. Alright, let's hook up the propane tank. Then after that, you can go ahead and turn this on, and then it's going to bring gas through here.
You already put this together. It's been less than 20 minutes.
I told you it was easy.
Wow, and you even have the propane tank hooked up already. Good job.
Yeah. So what are we going to eat today?
Today we're going to cook sweet potato fries, some crispy pork chops. With those two combinations together, it is so good. Right here on Soul Food TV Fun Recipes. Okay, I have now pre-rinsed my pork, and now we're going to go ahead and add pepper to the pork chop. I'll flip it back over, sprinkle it all around. I like a lot of pepper on mine, so it's getting a lot of pepper. Now we're using kosher salt and sprinkle a generous amount. One side, turn it over. That looks good to me. And I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to use that. Now, sprinkle by half of it on a plate. Shake it out a little bit. Get our pork chop. Press down, flip it over, give it a little press. If it's not coated enough, shake your flour around, plate, or add more flour to it. Once again, do the same process. Make sure you got the flour coating it the way it should be. And that looks good to me. So I'm going to set it on a dry plate. Same with this one. We'll go ahead and add some more flour to it. Now we're gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on medium high. Skillet here. I'm gonna go get the oil. Well, it's been 3 minutes now, and as you can see, this oil is hot and it's ready to go. And that's only having it set on medium high. Now, we're gonna grab our pork, give it another little shake, make sure we get all that excess flour off there so we ain't got to burn it in our oil. Lay it down gently. Now, same with the other. Right, give it a good shake. And now I'm gonna dip it on this side so it can fit like a puzzle right here. go. Oh, you get it? Alright, see that. It's cooking so good. I'm even gonna bring the heat down a little lower. So this is about medium low. It's cooking really well. About 4 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take these off. They look nice and golden brown. Both sides. So having a skillet and this burner. What a good combination. Same with this one. Look at that. Nice and golden and crispy. Alright, once again, it's nice and hot. I'm going to drop them in slow, as close as I can to the grease. There we go. Like, keep from burning yourself. That side, then I'm going to spread them out. This is about 2 large orders. Take them down. Really well.
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, it's crispy. Fries are crispy. Looks juicy on the inside. It's time to take a bite.
I cannot wait to taste this.
Okay.
It looks so good. It's crispy and tender.
Yeah. So it's a little bit windy.
Look at that piece. And these fries. Can't wait to try these fries.
Yeah. So here we go.
How you like it?
It's good. It's perfect.
I'm gonna try ketchup because I prefer ketchup with my pork chop.
And I love ranch. I love a lot of ranch in mine.
Oh my God, that's so good. You know, there's something about cooking outside that brings a flavor that you can't describe. But
thank you for watching. Now I can finish my lunch.
Well, alright guys, thank you for watching Soul Food TV Fun Recipes. I'm going to go ahead and finish this meal. It is so delicious. And I will see you in the next video.